Welcome to the iconic Harbour Cove, located on the seawall in False Creek and just steps to Granville Island. Surrounded by lush manicured gardens, plus a new multi-million-dollar renovated indoor pool, sauna, steam room, and you also have an indoor gym, workshop, and racquet courts. It is the ultimate Vancouver lifestyle gem. Inside this expansive, over 1,400 square foot 2-bedroom and solarium, bring your renovation ideas and your house-sized furniture and enjoy a dedicated office or hobby room, cozy gas fireplace, and beautiful views. Perfect for downsizers, families, and anyone craving space with a view. This is resort-style living with endless possibilities. I'm Christine Copper with Sotheby's Realty. Come experience False Creek freehold living for yourself and contact us to book a private showing today.